Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are still doing the series of our crochet stitch patterns, and for this tutorial I'm going to make the half granny square. So I have here my 3.25 millimeter crochet hook and my acrylic yarn. So to start off, I made my slip knot, and we're going to make a chain of 5. And we're going to make use of our first stitch. Make 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 more double crochets. So after doing your 3 double crochets, chain 1 and 1 more double crochet. This is to mirror the other side, the chain 5 that we made. So to move up for our second row, chain 4. Our chain 4 will count as first a double and a chain 1 space. Turn your work and make 3 double crochets on the chain 1 space. Chain 1, and on the top we're going to make 3 double crochets. Chain 2 and 3 more double crochets. You also have the option to change your color depending on your project. Chain 1, and on the chain 1 space we're going to make 3 double crochets. Chain 1 and 1 more double crochet. So chain 4. To start our new row, we're going to make use of the chain 1 space and make 3 double crochets. Chain 1, 3 double crochets on chain 1 space, chain 1. For our corner we have 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 more double crochets. So this is our repeat for the entire project, for the entire pattern. Chain 1, again this is for the side, chain 1. So again we are at the end. We're going to make a chain of 1 and 1 more double crochet. So you're going to make a chain of 4 when you start. Turn your work, 3 double crochets right away on the chain 1 space, chain 1 in between our group of 3 double crochets. You can start a shawl doing this one, this triangle. Or if you're making a bag, a granny square bag, and you need to make a half only of the square, then you can make use of this pattern. Chain 1, then our corner, which is 3 double crochets, chain 2 and another 3 double crochets. Chain 1 again, then we are on the other side of our triangle. So that will be our repeat for the half of the square, the granny square. As I've said, your sides will be growing, and you can start a shawl doing the granny square.